Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will create another 3D model using Fusion 360. So let's get started. Click on Sketch and choose front plane. Start creating rough profile and fully define the sketch. Now choose extrude and select the profile and drag it or enter the dimension. After extruding, now we have to create holes as per the drawing. So select this face and click on sketch. Now create a circle and define it. After defining, select extrude and choose the profile and drag it to create an extruded cut. Now repeat same steps by choosing another face and draw the circle. After defining, select the extrude command and make an extruded cut at this face as well. So we have successfully completed our 3D model as per the drawing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Also check out our website for doing engineering calculations with our integrated calculator. Also read our blogs for staying updated with latest industry trends. Link is given in the description, so do check it out.